welcome to Sabbu's kitchen. You would have tried rusk with a beverage like tea or coffee. Anytime have you tried Rusk Masala? Today showcasing Rusk Masala on Sabbu's kitchen.
The ingredients are
Rusk,
mixture, green chutney, sweet chutney, coriander,
lemon,
grated carrot and chopped onions.
spread green chutney and sweet chutney on the rusk. Mix grated carrot and chopped onion and put it on top of the rusk. Garnish with coriander and mixture and add some lemon. Simple and easy to prepare rusk masala is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.